Point 5. Redeeming the years the locusts hath eaten. This week, I've told you my body is a temple, that not everything lawful edifies, that discipline is grace in action, and that we can honor the table without dishonoring the body. Today, I want to close this series with something that ties my whole story together. My name is Kathy Maney with Carnivore Uphill. I'm not up my steps today. I'm waiting to have some handrails built, but I still wanted to bring this to you. Joel chapter 2, verse 25 says this, "And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten, the cankerworm, the caterpiller, and the palmerworm, my great army which I sent among you. For years carbs and sugar ate away at my health, the way locusts eat away at a field, slowly one bite at a time until there was almost nothing left. Years of weight gain, years of feeling tired, achy, foggy, years I can't get back. But this verse tells me God restores those years, not by pretending they didn't happen, but by giving back what was lost. At 70 years old, I've lost 100 pounds. I've regained my energy, my clarity, my ability to walk up 64 steps each day. That's restoration. I don't tell you my story to boast. I tell you because I believe God can restore what carbs and sugar and years of bad advice ate away in your life too. Whether that's your health, your energy, your time with your family, it's never too late for restoration to begin. My body is not my own. Not everything lawful edifies. Discipline is grace in action. I can honor the table without dishonoring the body. And God restores the years the locust has eaten. That's faith and food. Please talk to your doctor before making any dietary changes. I'm not a doctor. This is my own personal experience. That wraps up this week's series. Saturday, I'll bring you the full review of faith and food, all 5 points together. If any part of this series spoke to you, if you feel like the locust has eaten years of your health and you're ready for restoration, I'd love to talk with you privately, one-on-one. A free 20-minute discovery call is the easiest way to start, and the link is right below this video. I put up a new ebook each week to match the series, so you can always go back and revisit each point. My YouTube channel is Carnivore Uphill. My website is kathymaney.com, and I post everything to my Facebook page. If you subscribe, that helps me out, and I appreciate every one of you being here. So I'll see you Saturday for the full review. Bye.